Welcome to Metrolabs. We design, manufacture, supply and install school laboratory furniture, chemistry lab furniture for all CBSE, ICSE, IB, IGCSE, CIE and all state curriculums. Experience your dreams materialize through our cutting-edge laboratory setup. Personalize your laboratory configuration with our selection of customizable workbenches, which include island and wall-mounted choices tailored to suit your unique needs. These workbenches are constructed from sturdy, chemical-resistant materials to ensure lasting durability and safety. The chemistry laboratory is equipped with sturdy laboratory benches, reagent racks, sinks with water taps, and stools to ensure a safe environment for future scientific experiments. In chemistry laboratory, storage cabinets play a vital role in maintaining an orderly scientific environment, providing a secure and efficient storage solution for glassware and reagents. Our chemical storage cabinets are specifically engineered with ventilation systems to ensure safe handling of chemicals. Fume cupboards are a crucial safety feature in every school laboratory where students will be handling chemicals. These ventilated enclosures are designed to shield users from dangerous fumes, dust, and vapors that are generated during experiments. We are there when you need us. Feel free to reach out to School Lab Furniture for a discussion about your unique chemistry lab furniture needs. We are dedicated to supporting you at every stage of the process. For more information, call us 701-007-5103. Mail to us inquiry@schoollabfurniture.com. Please do visit www.schoollabfurniture.com. Our supply network covers all regions of India. Thank for watching.